What up, y'all? This is Frank from Real Tipsy Bait Fishing here. Today we're making some sinkers. I'm here with Anthony from Brothers in Bait.
Yo, what's up?
We set up here at this little workshop. Like I said, we're making sinkers. We're pouring lead and creating sinkers.
And we're also doing jigs. We have the boxing glove jigs, and we have the bullet nose jigs. It's sort of like the NLBN style. So we got the hooks in there set up, and we're gonna start pouring them. We have the egg bank sinkers.
These jump offs,
which Frank just had in his hand. We have the regular old school sinkers.
Those are the bank sinkers.
And these are the special ones we're gonna make for a fluke.
That's right.
We have 1.5, 2, and 2.5.
This one is not over. He's not fighting anymore. But he's there. Man, I'm gonna pull in some lines, I think.
Let me go under you. You wanna come to the left a little bit?
I got the sun in my face, I can't see. Whose pole is this one right here? I think
it's over you. You wanna come under?
You may just need to lower.
You over both of his, even the other one. You gotta go over.
Oh, the fish is right on the edge there. Yeah, I may not catch you. Come here, what are you doing over there? Where's he at?
Right here.
He's going the other way now. He's got a full view. It looks like slot, right? That's definitely slot.
That slot?
At least it went under and didn't fall.
Yeah, he's slot.
28?
Yeah, 28 and a quarter.
Okay, that's good.
He's slot. There goes our catch and cook. Good stuff, Frank. Bleeding him. Send Tony the picture. You want to put a string on him and throw him back in the water so he could bleed in the water? Uh-oh, my man is on one. He was out here all day since 9 in the morning.
Yeah, he see me.
So he earned this one. You put in the time and you get your fish.
When it's do that, don't reel. When you see when it does that, you stop. You wait, let the fish do it.
Yeah. You over or under? I think you're under. You're under. You're under. You're under. Go over him. Go over him. Yeah. You over this rod. Come over this rod.
Come here. Come this way. Come this way, man. Nice and easy. Nice. Yo, come on, bro. Oh, yeah. That's yours. I'm not keeping it. You want to release it?
No, no. We want to keep it for catch and cook. Yeah, bring it. Bring that motherfucker on deck. Tony, I did the first fillet. I filleted the first fish. It was I did a horrible job. We need you to do this one.
Nice. You got a good knife though?
I think so. A Dexter.
Let me do it.
All right.
Oh, Dexter, get it bleeding. I'll play.
All right. Were you braining them?
Yeah.
Nobody likes slime unless you're a Ghostbuster. Or was successful.
And you want to get the oil started?
Oh yeah.
Flame up? You're good. No, I'm giving it to you.
Let's put the black eyed peas first on. Let's get it started.
Turn it off and get the oil in it.
Yeah, did all.
Damn, you fucked up my video, Tony.
He said turn it off. Careful, be careful. Don't fall in the water. Don't fall in the water.
No, that might have just been laying out there.
Wow, this guy.
Oh, okay. You got
This guy. I got him. This guy. You do not got him. You got him, Kenny?
Kenny, yeah, you got it, got it. Pull up it. Pull it up. Up in the air. Up in the air.
Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, bro.
That's a nice one.
That's good. Yeah, it's a big one.
That's over.
That's what she said.
Bring him up here. Not go down. I don't know if you should bring him up. Take a picture, send it to me. Go down there and get your picture.
You got my number.
Give me your rod, I'll hold it.
Yeah.
You don't want
You
to
got my number.
Yeah,
he wants a picture.
My number's 81800.
Be careful. Go over it. Yo, where's the metro at?
I'm trying to get a picture.
Oh, that's a big one, man. Pull him out.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Wow, nice.
Hell yeah, bro. That's nice, bro.
Yeah, that's over, but
He's coming through. Beautiful.
Oh, that.
33.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, bro. That's a fucking sub. No. You kiss
Perfect hook set.
That's like a 34.
Yeah, it's definitely over.
You gotta go back in the water.
Yeah.
Keep big fish over here.
I got you.
Don't try no shit over here.
Kenny, take a picture real quick.
Hold him by the mouth, not the gills. Not the gills.
Yeah, don't be in the gill.
The mouth and then grab the stomach. Grab the stomach.
Belly in the mouth. In the mouth.
Kenny, right here. You fuck up people who will keep
Wow.
Ready? Yeah. Catch a big fucking fish over here, huh?
Let me see, man. Let me see.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, baby.
All right,
Come closer. Look at this beast. All right, let's get back in the water.
Put him in the net.
Put him in the net.
I got him. Don't put it in the grips. Don't put it in the grips.
All right, pass it. Thank you.
You got him?
Down here. Pass it over. I got it. Let go.
There you go.
You got it?
I got your rod. All right.
I was only cooking.
Wait, you want me to put this in there?
No. No, that tartar sauce is. You said you're taking that with you, right?
Oh, I want to.
With the cover on it and pack it up.
I can't.
Can't take it with you?
No, my mom's gonna crash
Put it
out.
on your suit.
She gonna crash out.
5 minutes.
3 minutes.
Nice catching cook. Over there. All right, and let's see how we're looking there.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, nice and golden.
One more minute. One more minute.
Tipsy fishing.
You got his face?
If we kept
Now you gonna try it right now.
We're eating his first striped bass.
Yeah.
Hooked us up with a
What's your name, bro?
bass today.
Jimmy.
First striped bass. That was a keeper.
Jimmy the Slayer. Get it
Our
right.
brothers in Bayonne.
We all have YouTube channels.
And he got
does
homemade
Brothers
tartar
and Bait,
sauce.
Okay. Jersey hook fishing. I'm real tipsy bait fishing. So
Okay,
so
yeah,
you know
yeah.
you're gonna be on.
Your girl. Oh, I like you.
I found a way to get the fish out of the thing without getting burned.
So how much battery's on that camera?
Well, his batter's good.
Dang, bro, that looks good.
Huh?
That looks good.
Are you guys cheating? Oh, you're cheating.
Yo, this
You can get your piece, Maggie. Take your piece.
I'm waiting for the rice. I'm waiting for the rice.
You already know.
Came out good, right?
I'm waiting for the rice.
No, I
Chris,
never had
they're
beer
eating
batter.
all the fish. Chris, make it over here. All right, hold on. Mikey's gonna taste this
I want to
rice.
try the rice first.
That rice is amazing.
Wow.
Wow.
I call this Mary White. My wife's
I need a
name
tray
is,
of this. I need a whole tray.
My wife's name is
Good.
Mary.
Look.
And you want to know what's her name? Puerto Rican. She's
Look
from
at that.
Scotland.
Nice.
And she be making this awesome
Alright.
Puerto Rican rice. Good?
Amazing.
Good deal. And get yourself some rice, bro.
Oh, wow.
It's good, right?
Yo, you know what? Bring your father.
Okay. Dad!
Make it on plate because you gotta.
Who didn't eat? Anybody want?
Right here. I'm gonna make 2 plates for them right there.
Make sure they eat porto.
I asked him.
This his wife a plate.
Huh?
This his wife. Can you make her a plate?
Yeah. Here, get.
I need to take off my sunglasses.
No. That's a match.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, thank you for saving my life.
That's a match?
Oh, wow.
Yo, look at
These
that.
are the biggest matches I ever saw, bro.
You see next week already?
Huh?
You see next week?
What? Oh, yeah, bro.
Yo.
Break a little piece
Nah,
of
fuck
fish
it,
up and
just
just dip a
gotta
little
egg the
piece.
plate, bro.
Break a little piece.
Yeah, just a little piece and just dip it in there. That's fine.
My band-aid is so greasy.
I've been known. I don't know why you guys don't
Take
eat
the little one. Right there. There you go. Dip it in. Make sure it don't break off.
I saw one of these on the floor this morning, but it was broke, right?
Blue, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was mine. It broke.
And then somebody broke a brake handle.
Good?
What? Oh, that was someone OG.
Yeah, a brake handle from a bike.
Oh, I didn't even see
It was a plastic one on the floor.
One guy that broke his bike.
Tastes like
Or
honey
when he
mustard.
throttled, then he
Can you throw that in
You were here
the,
for that, okay.
throw that
I
in the,
felt so bad.
toss that in the garbage?
Bro, he just didn't know how to ride the bike. Nah, his foot.
There's a
when he
plate
was-
right
when he was
there.
coming, you
Plate,
didn't see
take
it.
a plate.
Good.
All right. You sure you don't want no food?
I just had a
You don't want chorizo rice?
I'm gonna get it eventually, yeah.
Has lemon juice? Is that
We're going one step at a time.
All right.
coriander?
Just making sure everybody eats.
It looks great. I heard the rice is big.
Yeah, it is.
That's all. That's everything that's in there.
I'm paid to say that.
You made that yourself?
It's working.
That is so
It's the first time I had soda in like
That makes
I'm
me
glad you
want,
like it. Have some
3,
more.
4
that,
years.
that makes me want to
If you want some ice in the cooler.
Thank you.
How we looking here?
Yeah, we looking good.
Kenny ain't back.
Yo, Frank, they're gonna put a bench named after you over here.
After me here.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah.
He's gonna be first after this
I need
shit.
a whole gazebo named after me down here.
Wow.
Nah, that's a stretch. Mikey, I know you was a comedian too.
No, but you're not all that. Uh-oh. Malik, you have fish?
They ain't getting over it.
You had some?
Yeah, nah, he did.
All right.
Oh, that fish was good.
Yo, that big bat is crazy, Frank, though.
Yeah,
It tastes like the what they call that shrimp, that tempura shrimp?
Coconut shrimp tastes
The tempura, when the chinos do it?
tempura,
Yeah.
you should try it.
I just don't. I don't.
bro. That shit's
I don't eat white sauce.
Oh.
I don't eat mayonnaise, sour cream, any white sauce. Barbecue sauce is the best sauce.
There's more fish if anybody wants.
What do you mean you don't eat mayo? How do you have sandwiches?
Without mayo, with ketchup.
I don't touch mayo.
A sandwich is still a sandwich. He eats Mike's hard mayonnaise.
Came back,
A
right?
sandwich does not have mayo.
Yeah,
It is not
wifey
a
probably
sandwich.
bugging.
I agree with you. It's like a hot dog with only mustard.
No, it's a
You eat hot dogs with ketchup?
Gonna be D-E-D
bread with
dead.
You eat hot dogs with ketchup?
And he's out here every day.
Then you breaking the rules. That
I don't put it on top. I put it on the side,
or you put it on the side and look at it while you're eating the hot dog?
and then I dip it in.
Your mom's just looking at you like, stop it.
That's how it's supposed to work. I explained to him how
Well, that is so good. I'm gonna steal that tonight. Mommy, can you make
Shallots,
that? Please?
diced shallots, diced capers,
I'll send that to you.
Chestnut on your face.
What?
mustard.
In the rice?
Mustard. In that.
No, why not?
Sweet relish. It has mayo, it has lemon juice, it has coriander,
Wait, I want to write that down.
and salt.
Well, you might as well write it down and put it on your website after the.
Can you repeat that
Put it in the description.
slowly?
I'm gonna put it on the video.
Okay, thank you.
I know you're not allowed to look, but your dad will tell you.
Okay. He better tell me. I'm gonna be mad.
I think that's done.
good.
Yeah, that's done. That's done. It's just that top piece that. Yeah.
Flip that over.
It'll be even better.
Let's take the other
Yeah, but we
one out.
can't sacrifice everybody else for him.
Yeah.
Oh, he's stuck, yeah.
I gotta say something for the paint.
Yeah, send it on
Oh,
He's where?
Going to the store.
oh, it died.
I won't pass that tray, so we just flip out the ones that are done.
Oh. Frank,
Who's over there?
me.
Oh, my.
Dip the rest of those in there, I
I
guess.
have permission to record right here.
Yes, you do. You don't need permission, Captain. Mikey, you want to dip the other pieces of fish in there and drop them in the
I
oil?
got some homemade tartar sauce I made this morning in that jar.
He might get himself burned.
Oh yeah, let me stop.
Yeah,
Good.
nah, he might get burned.
Yeah, let me.
If I was gonna do that, I
Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Yeah, then we gotta deal with it.
Thanks, Tony. What am I thinking of, man?
It's about to be all you.
Throw the rest in the oil.
He's gonna do the collar.
Those are his collars.
Huh?
Those are his collars.
All right.
Frank, this is garbage.
All right, pull up your collars.
I'm gonna clean up.
That fish is crazy, right?
Yeah, I don't need pork, so.
It's hot. Yeah, don't even know.
Yo, the homemade tartar sauce is right there, bro.
There's no pork in the
Yeah, you need a
I want
little.
to try it
but
real.
okay,
There's no pork in the
It was amazing without that.
just no double dipping.
Hello.
Thank you.
You got it, brother. Enjoy it.
Oh, I already double dipped.
Yeah.
Kidding.
Jersey hook fishing, brothers and
Bait.
real tipsy fishing.
Whoa, wait, say it again. She's like, calm down.
Jersey hook fishing. You can't forget that. It's in the bait shop, so just go get my card. And then just remember these two.
Just go get his pot.
Just go to the bait shop. I'll give you my card.
I think I got stickers in my pocket right here.
Oh, that's so cool. Stickers.
There you go. Split them up. Take as many. That's my YouTube channel. Put one on your cooler, one behind your car.
Brothers and
My
bait-
brothers in
brothers
New
is all of
York.
us.
But
Everybody's
brothers
a
is everybody, considering. But
He does have a brother. He does got
as me and my brother started it, but it's just everybody in general, and females included.
Hey.
Yeah,
You were the one who came in with the sinker today, that plastic?
Yeah,
I give you that. I make them too.
Okay. I'm gonna try it out. Can't wait.
All right.
It doesn't show you here.
All right, you welcome. Subscribe to the channel if you look at it. I got almost 200 videos.
Okay. I will.
All right.
on Instagram.
Yeah.
I'm on everything, but I just love Instagram.
I love you, baby. Everybody loves that.
He's the Instagram
That race
hoe.
was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mikey wants to tell you the rice is good. Tell him, Mikey.
That rice is so insane. I'm gonna steal it.
Yeah, that rice is crazy.
All right, love. Sleep tight, Mikey. I'll talk to you in the morning.
Thank you.
You found it, Mikey? You found it? Let me see what you wrote. So it's real?
You put them in the batter?
No, I just had them with flour.
You didn't want to do the batter?
And it's not bait.
So we're gonna pour some hot lead into these aluminum molds. Let's see how it comes out.
Right now, I'm using this ladle to take all the impurities off the top of it.
Those impurities are bad, right?
Yeah, the lead doesn't stick to this ladle for some reason. I don't know what it's made of, but
Oh, so that's good. That means it only picks up impurities.
yep. I put it here while you start pouring. You could do that too as well. Start pouring the first.
So how far just to the
Until it tops off. I mean, if you
Yo,
get
I
really,
need-
if you get really good, you'll stop it right on the
Do I
dot.
need a glove
yeah.
for this or what?
Nah, that's not gonna get hot because
Okay,
it has
it's
the
plastic.
rubber handle.
Uh-oh, they want the cup.
The other ones will get warm.
All right, so squeeze, handle, pour.
Yep. No worries. That goes back in to get melted.
Some of it gets cold quicker, right?
Yeah.
So that was a slow pour.
You see how fast it dries up?
Yeah.
You can open it up right now and they're done.
Already, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at that.
this. Look at.
But look, you see how big they are,
Yeah,
right?
they are big.
You want to knock it out with the channel lock, the pliers, I mean?
Oh, that's fresh.
Right?
That's my first
Well,
time pouring some lead.
hopefully we get lucky because it says that the paint is in the mail. So
Or
it says it's coming today. You got one more to knock out. So I was only trying to do this one. You want to pour that one? That's the bullet nose one.
Okay.
Ooh, those take a lot of lead. You see that? This is the first time I'm trying this one. That one is the.
That's a big one?
Yeah, that gotta be the big one. You see how long you was
Yeah.
pouring for? Let's put some more lead in there.
Yo,
get,
so
you can get anything in Amazon in the mail. I know the
got in the
mailman
mail?
was mad at it.
let me see what you got there. So check it out. These little bars.
Egots.
What do they call these? Ignots.
Egots, I think.
Egots. Okay, we're gonna put it in. Let's not get too close. So
They melt.
So that
pretty
just
fast.
melts right inside this little melt pot. It's crazy.
Yeah.
We turn them into leads, into sinkers.
How it looks. Let me see.
Look at this, bro.
Oh Lord.
Official.
They pretty look good, right?
Look at that. Oh, cut them while they're soft.
Yeah, just take it off. Wow.
Look at this. You see that?
Look at here, look at here.
Look at here. What we got here? What is that? A 2 ounce?
This one is what it says right here. That's the middle one. That's a 3 ounce.
3 ounce, man. Oh, you got 2.5.
Yeah,
3,
I don't think I'm
4.
gonna make too many of the 4s. I think I'm just gonna focus on these 2,
Yeah.
right?
Even the 3 ounces are big. I mean, you use those. People
I got
use them on
another.
the boats.
I
and
got
stuff.
another mold coming with all from 1 ounce to 3 ounce.
Yeah, those are the ones that you want. 3/4, 1, and 1 1/4.
But I'm ready to order the eyeballs for this, right?
Oh, okay.
You put them in the paint, put the eyeballs on there, and you're done. Look, and they'll hold your plastics on there.
That's awesome.
And look, these right here. You just grab that little Hershey Kiss by the pliers. Remove it. Look.
Let me prepare this.
Look at that.
The gloves. Now we out here playing games.
Is the camera rolling?
Oh, no.
Yeah, it is. All that time. Okay.
Let's find out if we create something. Look, I don't even gotta hold it.
No? Is there room for the lead to go in?
Yeah. You just gotta go fast, I think.
I think you should put the handle towards this way, because it looks like the opening is bigger right there.
I won't be able to get
No,
closer.
come on the 40. Yep.
Yeah.
More this way. Ready?
I think I messed up.
It messed up again.
Only because it's not pouring right.
It's not going. Let's try it on
Big
the
one?
bigger one, because we had a trouble.
Oh, it actually went through.
Wow.
Ah, but how we get that off? But
now
no.
you hold this part, right?
Yeah. I'm just saying with the hook, how do you get it? Oh, you know what? And put it in the pie. Damn, that was good thinking. A piece of worm on that, and you know what?
You might have, yo, for a fluke.
I was about to say.
Squid belly on
I was about
that?
to say, and paint it to look like a fluke.
Yo, bro, you might have broke the bank on that one. Look at this one that Frank came up with. He just dropped the hook, and we have
That's crazy.
we have the flat sinkers, right? He just dropped the hook in. We might start making these with a hook sticking out, and it's an all-in-one combo.
This is a prototype.
Yup.
We're gonna have to paint it and try and cast it out there.
Patent number 123456.
We're gonna paint this to look like a fluke, bro. Put a little thing on it so it spins, like, you know, a little snap
What do you think,
swivel.
a brown color paint?
Yeah, I would do brown with some orange dots in it. This might even be good for blackfish. Where you make the crab looks like he's actually standing instead of upside down.
Wow.
Instead of him upside down, he's standing.
Why don't we make a few of those?
All right, we gotta test them out. I mean, we gotta make sure the lead can hold. I'm pretty sure that's.
I mean, let's make another one for me at least. One more for me.
All right, let's get these out of here. We go test them.
These got the hooks in them.
Do they? Okay.
I gotta put the. Yo, you changing the game now? Yo, that's mine.
You put 2 pieces of squid on that, it's gonna look like
Oh.
a tail. And you're pulling it along the bottom.
Make a few of those, Frank.
Look at this. Hold that up to the camera. It's right there. No, show the hook. Yeah, it's hot. Uh-huh. Oh, just melt this piece off
You gotta
while it's
mount
still
this
warm. Yeah.
piece. Look. Wow. Frank just came up with a game changer.
Sheesh. Get away from me. And they're still
Can
pretty
you
warm.
unscrew that? What's it called? Blaze what? Behind, on the other side.
Hard dog.
behind you is a color on the bar called Blaze what?
Blaze orange. My favorite color right there. You see it right there in front of you?
Yeah, so what we're doing is we're heating it up. It'll work better if we have the air bed, the fluid bed, where it bubbles the paint, but you still can do it. And you guys gotta get you need a little pick to
Yeah.
do the hole
Figure
real
the
quick.
eye out.
I'm just doing a sample, but look how nice that looks,
That was beautiful.
right?
That's crazy. How much are these paints?
They're like $15 each, but this they were 5 for $50.
Then you can come back later on and put some little patterns on
Yeah,
them,
you
right?
could, like right now, if I got a paintbrush, I could speckle the other ones on there and then heat it up and it'll.
Oh, so we took a black. Well, it's
So
not
right
hot
now,
enough.
if I got a
It's
paintbrush,
still too soft. Though,
no,
right?
you can still, with a paintbrush right now, like even with your fingertips.
So what if I did this?
You gotta do more than that.
All right, try that. Turn it around. That's what she said.
Tell me that's not looking nice,
That
right?
was dope. That was official.
Well, I got it too close, but look, come on, bro.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at this.
Look
Look
at
at here.